we bring like a new functionality into the system called automations, which allows you to basically say, hey, whenever an asset is uploaded, I want to send it to ChatGPT. I want to detect if there's a mountain in it. If there's a mountain in it, I want you to go into that spreadsheet with all the mountains, and then I want you to select one of those as the matching one. And then I want you to put this into a metadata field. Then I want you to set the status to this, and then I want you to send. It's not something unusually new, but I think the way we implemented it and the way this interacts with the apps is unique. I think the extendability aspect of this is crazy.
Right.
And the way it's enabled for an end user is super user friendly. So you don't need to code anything. You just click a few buttons and you're there.
Yeah.
So that's always the goal. There's no implementation project. There's no coding involved. It's just like boom, and there you have it.
Yeah.
I think that's super cool.
It sounds kind of like I don't know if you're familiar with like N8N or
we are actually using N8N.
Okay. I mean, it sounds to me like N8N, but in native.
Yeah, you can already, I love N8N, by the way. I mean, we use all these systems, Tray, N8N, Make, whatever. But N8N is particularly nice, I think, for such a use case.
Yeah.
And you can already today use N8N in the cloud to interact with Frontify. But we also now have a way where you can securely use those automations in a more isolated sandbox environment. And the automations are basically making use of the N8N infrastructure.
Yeah.
But just basically simplify the usage of it. But technically, you could have any kind of workflow behind it.
Yeah.
And you can even build it in N8N in the cloud and send it to us, and we can deploy it in a sandbox and then allow you to use it in your Frontify. As you can see, this is not always directly related to assets directly.
Yeah.
You know, it's like that's why this element of understanding the brand is so core, and everything else is built on top of it.
So it's all the activities that surround a given brand. You're kind of bringing into a single place that helps govern and manage.